Are you tired of hiding your hands because of dark knuckles? I will show you how to fade dark knuckles naturally. No harsh chemicals. Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chidima. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us secretly struggle with. Dark knuckles. If your knuckles look darker than the rest of your hands and it is making you uncomfortable, this video is for you. I'm breaking down how exactly I lightened my dark knuckles without bleaching, without toothpaste, and definitely without lemon juice. Just real tips that actually works. So grab your lotion, let's get in. Before we talk about solution, let's talk about the real reasons why knuckles get darker. It is not always poor hygiene. It can be friction from constant hand washing or scrubbing. It can be dryness. It can be product buildup like soap, harsh cream, or bleach. It can also be genetics or hormones and sometimes even medical condition. Now let's talk about what actually worked for me. It's a simple 3-step routine you can do every night. It works because it targets dryness, hyperpigmentation, and barrier repair. Step 1 is a gentle chemical exfoliation. 2 to 3 times a week. Stop scrubbing with lemon and sugar. They cause more damage. Instead, use a gentle exfoliant like glycolic acid or lactic acid. Apply it on your knuckles with a gentle pad at night. Let it sit for a few minutes, then moisturize. Step 2 is deep moisture repair. This should be done every night. You need a serious hydration. Use a thick moisturizer that contains niacinamide to soften and brighten your knuckles. Apply it and seal it with Vaseline. Trust me, your knuckles will thank you. Step 3 is targeting brightening. This is the magic step. Use a targeted brightening serum or cream only on your knuckles. For example, arbutin, kojic acid, licorice extract. Apply a thin layer on your knuckles and be consistent. I did this routine and I started seeing results. The key is consistency plus patience. Avoid using bleaching creams. They will damage your skin barrier. You see all those lemon, toothpaste, leave all those things. Don't use any of that. And do not over exfoliate. You will only exfoliate 2 or 3 times a week. You can use either the glycolic or the lactic acid for Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. So after using it to cleanse your hand, then you apply your serum. After your serum, before you apply your moisturizer, and never keep sunscreen on your hands during the day. UV rays makes hyperpigmentation worse. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share with someone who is currently suffering dark knuckles. What skin struggles do you want me to break down next? Stretch mark, just name anything, name them in the comment section and I'm going to make a video on that. And don't forget to subscribe. More tips are coming that actually works.